So, in this video, we will explain. I'm trying to explain the article journal about the advanced language and literary studies. Um, as a foreign language teacher, sometimes we need to understand the basic fundamental about how to be a teacher. What is teacher identity development? So there are two things that we need to understand. We need to fully understand to become a foreign language teacher. So the first one, who the teacher is. So we need to dig more to ourselves. Who is the teacher? So what kind of personality do teachers have? How do they talk and so on? And the second thing is what the teacher does. So what the things that teachers do, usually do, don't do, and so on. And uh, when we be a teacher, sometimes we use the method called code switching. So the code switching is the when we are as the teacher change the language from one language to the another language. So the first language is L1, which is the our mother language, and we change it to the L2, which is the foreign language that we try to teach to the students. So sometimes for example, when we try to explain, we try half of the sentence with L1 and the rest is with the L2. So how to apply this strategy as a teacher? So the first one, give the students explanation briefly and make them interested. So we know that the foreign language is sometimes is hard to understand. We need to know that students and we, the teacher, is not always the same. Sometimes in the past we really easy to understand the foreign language, so we become a teacher of foreign language now. But we need to know that the students is different. They sometimes they do not understand that the things that we thought it would be easy to understand. So give them brief explanation, make them interested in the subject of the foreign language, and don't make things bored, because when they think everything is boring, they stop to wanting desire of the subject, so they do not want to learn anymore. So the next is, if the two, or we call it foreign language, is kind of hard to understand by the students, we need to change the way we teach. So we need to try the method called code switching. So in code switching, we try to mix the mother language with the foreign language that we try to teach to the students. So we have understandable about the foreign language, and we try to explain them with mother language so they can understand the foreign language. In the short, we need to make the things or the subject be more understandable by the students with the language, with saying it with the language that they are used to. So maybe they use their mother language in everyday life. So when we trying to explaining things with the language that they always used, they will be more interested in the foreign language. So that's it. I'm Tiara Agnesi Windari. So thanks.